Kapamilya actor-host Luis Manzano is relishing the joy of fatherhood as his daughter Isabella Rose is about to celebrate her first birthday on December 28. Over the past year, Manzano has been actively involved in his daughter's life, cherishing precious moments and creating lasting memories for his family. Her birthday is on December 28. Maaga lang namin sinelebrate kasi by that time, lahat naka-vacation na. Ang hirap umalis ng bahay. Work is work but everything is such a challenge na umalis ng bahay kasi parang nakikita mo siya paggaling sa laro. But everything I'm doing is for the family naman, Manzano said. Manzano's wife Jessie Mendiola took a break from her showbiz career to focus on her pregnancy and to support him as they welcomed their baby girl into world. Now, as Mendiola plans to return to acting, Manzano stands by her side, offering unwavering support and encouragement. Sabi ko naman sa kanya whatever she wants to do, she has her fulfillment as a mom. If it means na gusto niyang bumalik sa showbiz, mag-sitcom, mag-host anything that would add fulfillment pa sa kanya, he said. Despite his busy schedule, Manzano has made it a priority to be present for his daughter's milestones and important moments. Through social media, he has shared glimpses of their heartwarming father-daughter bond, leaving fans in awe of their adorable interactions.